Hi there folks, it's Laura here and welcome to this daily dose on understanding the game, where today I'm talking about minor penalty cards, which a lot of people don't necessarily know about, and they can be quite confusing at the table because a lot of people haven't seen them before. But the great thing about it, there's not too much, punishment as such that happens when they do apply. So just like a major penalty card, what happens is that minor penalty cards, they only apply for the defenders. Declarer or dummy can't have a minor penalty card. Now, a lot of people think there's only one sort of penalty card, and they'd be thinking of major penalty card, but there is a minor one as well. So for a minor penalty card, what we basically need is for one of the defenders to unintentionally have exposed a card. So this might be that they accidentally played two cards to a trick, one they meant to and the other one that just kind of came behind, or they might accidentally drop one on the table or something like that. But they've unintentionally done this. They didn't mean for everybody to see it. They didn't mean to play it. If they accidentally played it revoking and they actually meant to play the card, that's not unintentional. Unintentional is literally something accidentally happened basically, and that's how it became exposed. The other thing about it, it has to be a card that is lower than a 10. So 10s and jacks and queens, kings and aces can't be one of those. It has to be a 9 or lower. Now what happens with these cards, so we've got a card that isn't an honor rank and 10s are classed as honors, and it was unintentionally exposed. Basically it sits there on the table. Now the only requirement with a minor penalty card is that if you wanted to play a card of that same suit that was below an honor, you must play that particular one. Now to stress the importance of this, if you for instance had the 3 of spades as your minor penalty card, and let's say you wanted to lead the king or the queen or the ace, you could play any card that was an honor, and remember that's 10 or higher, if you wanted to in that particular suit. The only confinement is that if you wanted to play a 9 or lower, you must play that particular one. Now the other thing that happens is that if your partner gets the lead, unlike a major penalty card, there's no lead restrictions that apply for minor penalty cards. So declarer will not have the option of prohibiting or demanding a lead of that suit, and also keeping those options if they let your partner lead anything. So a minor penalty card, basically there's not too much that happens with this one. You won't ever get sort of penalized or think that there's going to be an unfair, treatment because of it, but because basically what happens is it's only if you wanted to play a low card in that suit that you must play that particular card. Other than that, if you wanted to play an honor, you can still lead an honor. It's just if you wanted to play a small one, you have to play that card, and your partner has no restrictions as well if they do get the lead. I'll put the law down the bottom of this video so you can take a look at it then. Thanks for watching, and I hope this cleared up minor penalty cards, which you may not have heard of before. See you next time.